Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about decimals. Here we will know the definition of a decimal. The decimal is a special form of fraction with the base 10. Here a decimal is a special form of fraction. Do you want to know about the fraction definition and what is the difference between fraction and a rational, and what are the types of fractions? I did a previous video. The link of the video is given in the description. Please watch that video so that you can understand about fraction. Now here a fraction they are saying here. The decimal is a special form of fraction. Here decimal is also a fraction, but it's a special form. A decimal is always represented by a dot. Here we will say dot, or in general words we will say point. Okay, a decimal is represented by the point. Here a decimal will have two parts, and first part is called as integer part and next part is decimal part. Here a decimal point, left side numbers whatever we will have, that all are called as the integer part, and the right side numbers whatever we are having is called as decimal part. If you are having like this 1 2 3 4 point 1 2 3 4, if you are having like this, you have to pronounce this one as 1234.1234. It means after decimal, whatever the numbers we are having, that we have to pronounce each and every number. Here after the ones place value we will keep decimal. Here this is ones position, this is ones position. Ones after what you will have here? Tens position. Here ones position is nothing but 1. If you are multiplying the ones position with the 10, you will get tens position. If you are multiplying the tens position with 10, 10 tens are hundreds we will get. If you are multiplying this 100 with 10, you will get thousands position. In the same way, if you are multiplying the thousands position with 10, you will get 10,000s position. Like that, the integer part is always multiplied by 10. In the same way, a decimal part is always divided by the 10. Here, if you are having this first position after the decimal, we will call it as a tens position. What is the position is called? Tens position. And this is 100th position. 100th position. And this third one is called 1000th position. 1000th position. Next one is 10,000th position. 10,000th position. In the same way you will have lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, like that you will have. Here this 10th position is called as 1 by 10. 1 by 10 here. Point after whatever we are having, that is the 10th position. Here 10th position is called 1 by 10. For this 1 by 10, if you are dividing with 10, for this 1 by 10, if you are dividing with 10, you will get 1 by 100. This 1 by 100 is the second position, that is called as a 100th position. Here, if you are dividing this 1 by 100 with 10 again, here I am dividing here 1 by 10 with 10, I got 1 by 100. If you are dividing this 1 by 100 again with 10, you will get 1 by 1000 you will get. If you are dividing this 1 by 1000 again with 10, we will get 1 by 10,000. Here, the right side part, whatever we are having, that is divided by the 10. So, we understood here what are the place values of a number and how to read a number. Simply remember, after decimal, we have to pronounce each and every number. And you can say here, after the 4 also you are having number. Here, if you are having 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, like that, if you are having many zeros, that we will call it as the succeeding position of a decimal place is 0. Succeeding position, a decimal number after succeeding numbers you will have. Succeeding is nothing but after numbers. After numbers, all are 0. If you are having like this 1.23, don't read 1.23. If you are reading 1.23, it is wrong. 1.23. Here, what is the succeeding number? After this 3, you will not having means you can keep many number of zeros in the decimals in the last. But don't keep like this. 1.203. Here, 0 should not be kept in between 2, 3. It should be kept succeeding number. Means here you can keep like this. Zeros. After this 2, 3, you can keep many zeros. If you are keeping many zeros also, the value of the decimal system never changes. Classification of decimals. Here, decimals are classified into 2 types. Here, what are the 2 types means? Terminating decimals, non-terminating decimals, non-terminating decimals. Here, what is terminating decimal? What is non-terminating decimal? Let us see now. Here, terminating decimal means a decimal system which is having a end number is called as terminating decimal. A decimal number which is having end is called terminating decimal. A decimal system which is not having end is called non-terminating decimal. Here, non-terminating decimal will have infinite many numbers after decimal point. Here, terminating decimal will have finite number of digits after decimal. Now, let us go for example to understand you clearly. Here, if you are having 1.2345. Look at here, 1.2345. Here, the number is ended at 5. After 5, you are having any numbers here? No. No number is there after 5. These kind of numbers, wherever having an end, is called terminating decimal. Simply, you can say the definition of terminating decimal is a decimal system with finite number of decimal points is called as terminating decimal. I will give you some more examples here. 1.343. Here, after 3 you are not having any number. So, we will call it as a terminating decimal. If you are having like this 1.25. After 2, 5, you are not having any number. So, these kind of decimal forms, wherever you are having, that we will call it as a terminating decimal. Here, what is non-terminating decimal? Let us see now. A decimal system which is having infinite many digits after decimal point is called as non-terminating decimal. Here I will give you examples to understand very clearly. Sometimes you will have like this 1.232323 like that. It is going on continuous. Here 23232323, it is repeating 23 many times. So it is not having end here. Do you know the end number? We don't know the end number. So like these type of numbers wherever not having end is called non-terminating decimal. I will give you one more example. 1.234567 so on you will get. Is this number having end? No, there is no end number for these numbers. Wherever the numbers is not having an end is called non-terminating decimal. Wherever the numbers having end is called terminating decimal. Again, this non-terminating decimal is again divided into two types. One is repeating decimal. Another one is non-repeating decimal. Non-repeating decimal. Here non-terminating divided into two types, repeating decimal and non-repeating decimal. Here repeating can be called as recurring also. Recurring or repeating both are same. Non-repeating or non-recurring. Non-recurring both are same. Here what is non-terminating repeating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal we will see. Here non-terminating indicates not having end. Repeating decimal means the number repeats more times. Means like this 1.232323 so on you are having. This 23 is repeating. So in general we will write this 1.232323 so on as 1.23 bar. Which number is repeating more times, for that number we will keep bar. If you are having like this 1.5555 so on like this, you can keep it as 1.5 bar. We will keep bar for 5. If you are having like this 1.53333 so on like this, what we will do? 1.5. Which number is repeating, for that only we will keep bar. So 1.53 bar or 1.53333 so on is non-terminating repeating decimal or recurring decimal you can say. Now non-terminating, non-repeating or non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. Here this is the example for non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Here this number is not having end. Wherever not having a end, we will call it as a non-terminating decimal. If the number is repeating, non-terminating, repeating. If the number is not repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Here this decimal is not having end, not repeating. So non-terminating, non-repeating decimal we will call. Here we can convert a decimal system into rational numbers. Here you can convert a terminating decimal and non-terminating repeating decimals into P by Q form. Here terminating decimal, non-terminating repeating decimal can be converted into rationals, but non-terminating, non-repeating is not converted into rational.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.